Yo, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Net channel. Check out what we are in, a second gen 12 valve NV4500 5-speed truck that Ryan just bought. So thanks to him, we are driving this today. But it has, Ryan's gonna have to help me here, but we'll do a walk around to this thing. It's got like a built-in injection pump, injectors, turbo, timing advanced, and everybody says it is really hard to drive. So this is going to be interesting. Haven't driven a second gen in a long time, and we're going to see if I can do it. What do you think, Ryan?
I don't know.
It's a two-wheel drive truck, but apparently it gets down and it's rowdy, so I guess we're about to find out.
What's wrong with two-wheel drives?
Nothing's wrong with two-wheel drive, I'm just saying.
This guy doesn't haul stuff.
It's harder to drive, maybe, I don't know. But we'll give you a walk around, and then we're gonna drive it. All right, guys, we're gonna do a little walk around to this thing and explain what's all done to this. We lost some footage yesterday and had some stuff going on with the GoPro, so we're gonna try this again, and Ryan is gonna tell us what's done to this thing.
So this is how you fix a Duramax. You buy a Dodge.
Oh yeah, right.
But
he has an LBZ like mine. I'll put clips of the other video in, but he's got an LBZ that had some head gasket failure, so he bought a second gen Dodge.
Needed a truck, but it's got a 215 injection pump. It's been rebuilt, still has 181 delivery valves, 4K gov springs, 5x112 injectors. It's a power driven diesel head that's O-ringed.
Fire ringed, right?
No, O-ring.
Oh, that's different?
Yeah, with Arp Head Studs, 63, 68 cat turbo, billet tappet cover, just the usual 12 valve stuff.
The Dodge stuff.
It's got a little bit of fuel going to it.
So it's my understanding that this is what you want to do on a 12 valve, I guess, if you're towing a lot, maybe. This thing's a runner though, it's pretty quick. Timing in it is advanced like a lot.
Oh yeah, and its timing's bumped to 18 degrees.
18 degrees, so I guess this thing's super hard to drive. You guys are gonna see that, and yeah, let's get this Dodge going. I'm gonna put this clip in right before we drive it. Make sure you stay tuned because this thing was hilarious for me to drive. It's like, it is actually pretty hard to drive. You would definitely get used to it the more you drive it, obviously, but it's hard to drive for the first time. So this is Ryan. Look at him standing. He looks like a Dodge guy already. Oh my God. He has an LBZ extended cab long bed. He actually bought his truck a couple years before I bought mine.
I've had it for 6 years.
He's had it for 6 years. He's starting a YouTube channel too, so we'll link him for this in this video to his channel because he's making videos of this thing as we speak also. But he kind of convinced me to buy my first truck, which was a different truck than this, but then I sold that and bought a cleaner one, which is this one. Anyway, we're going to talk about the 12 valve today.
So when you start it, you got to give it a little fuel.
You gotta tap it a little.
Yeah, just act like it's carbureted.
Huh. Will it idle?
Shit.
It idles because it's warm.
As the e-brakes on. Put it in fifth and then reverse.
Really? That's a Dodge, dude. Oh, it's got a what? Dual disc clutch?
Yeah.
Which makes it interesting.
Start in first.
First?
Yeah.
If I can put it in first.
You gotta slam these things in gear, Nathan.
Let's see. Okay. I see what you're saying.
Put it in third. Put it in third. Yeah, third.
Hey, man. Hard to drive my ass.
It's hard to drive.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
The throttle is like,
it's touchy.
It's like 1/4 inch and you're in it. Why don't you start in second?
You can try, but you might stall it. Well, you're kind of moving there. If you do it from a dead stop and you don't ride the clutch right, it'll stall.
Oh. You just have to roll into
Oh god. Holy smoke. I'm gonna have to show you how to drive this thing.
I guess so. It's not that bad. I feel like I can get used to it. You can tell this thing's low.
It rides like a Dodge.
I mean, you can hear some stuff.
Oh, that's the bed, yeah. I think that's a tailgate rattling.
It doesn't ride that bad.
It steers pretty good for a Dodge.
It does. Yeah, it doesn't feel like there's no ball joints in it.
Yeah. Yeah, whole front end's in. Yep.
Should I roll into it in fourth?
You're gonna get going pretty quick. You gotta get it over.
This thing drives, dude.
You gotta get it over like $3 grand to really get the smoke. But you're gonna be going 70, so.
Maybe uphill with it.
Just watch the EGTs. Oh, what?
Up here.
The bottom one.
Does it downshift all right?
Yeah. I usually rev match it.
I don't want to do that.
So do you think the bed sides are like loose? Oh, it's in the back.
That's loud, dude. That's the bed.
Yeah. It's from where he cut it. Probably he didn't attach to the bed sides.
Am I gonna stall it?
No, you got it.
Dude, that is hard to get in third. I guess I just don't know what I'm doing.
No, I mean, you just got to shift it slow. It's unless you're really driving it, and then you can slam them. But
I guess I can't really drive a Dodge. This thing's sweet.
if you don't use the clutch, you can get it in faster.
Oh, you can get it in faster.
Yeah. Ooh, a new Bronco. These things are horrible, dude. They look like a Ford Escape.
Yeah, dude. I'm not. God damn it, dude.
Oh.
Oh my god, old man.
Dude, I'm gonna need a rear end, U-joints, everything.
You're gonna need a few things.
Woo!
Just take it out of my truck.
Oh my god. Woo! Nathan, you went to the Rose last night and rode the Bowl, didn't you?
That's what
He's trying to do it
right
again.
Now. You shaking up?
Oh, I'm shaking, bacon.
He's shaking. All right, we got to give a little walk around of this thing. Maybe start it up. Hear the old 4-inch. I think she's got a muffler. Doesn't sound loud enough to me. Dodge should be as loud as possible. Maybe we'll go to some parking lot and Ryan can drive it and show me how it's supposed to be driven. Yeah, Ryan's girlfriend Jordan can drive it and Ryan will die. Stay tuned because this is hilarious.
Durango? Dude, it's got a bad
Actually, I did. Okay, that was pretty smooth. Third, fourth, smooth. I guess I'm not a Dodge guy.
Big Dodge.
Handles in here.
Big Dodge.
Big. Well guys, if you like the Dodge content, I kind of do. I have at least always wanted a 2nd gen or a 1st gen 12 valve. So make sure you stay tuned for the Suburban project coming up, because once that's done, it's time to buy one of these. So stay tuned to Nasty Nate right here.